the Lord of the universe, has his worldly abode in the 12th century Jagannath temple in Puri. The cult of Jagannath dates back to an even earlier time. It represents a synthesis of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism, laid over the original tribal god of the Sauras. Jagannath is a symbol of tolerance and the brotherhood of man, for the caste system has no place in his temple. The festival finds mention as far back as the 9th century and attracts many thousands of pilgrims from all over the country.